everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna make cream cheese wontons. And you know what I thought? Since we're in quarantine, might as well make Chinese food. So let's get into the video.
Oh yeah.
Okay, for the wontons, we're gonna need the wonton paper, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and an egg, and 2 tablespoons of water, and some freshly cut onions. Okay, now we're gonna make the filling. First, you're gonna get the 1 tablespoon of sugar. You're gonna put it all in here. Then, this is gonna be some hard work, so I'll be back in a little. Okay, now we're gonna put in the onions. And start mixing it all together. Okay, now we're gonna get the egg and the 2 tablespoons of water. First, we're gonna get the 2 tablespoons of water. Once you do that, you're gonna wanna get a fork. You're gonna wanna get a fork and start mixing that in. Okay, now I finished mixing the egg. And don't forget to put your oil to boil at medium-high. Okay, now I'm gonna start assembling all of these. So this is where the tricky part's going to be. For these, you're gonna wanna get the part where it has flour, and you're gonna wanna put that down here so it doesn't stick to the board. You're gonna wanna get your finger, dip it in the yolk, and you're gonna get all of those sides. Okay, now that we finished putting all the yolk around the paper, we're gonna get the filling, and we're gonna wanna put it in as much as you need for your wontons. I think that's good enough. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get our corners and then go to here, connect them on the edges. We're gonna come over here, and you're gonna wanna put them like that, kind of. Okay, so you're gonna wanna move it again on all the different sides. You wanna get all of that a nice brown. Just leave it there for a little. These don't take very long. Look at that. Look how good that wonton looks. It might not look the best, but it's a wonton. Now it's ready. I want to move it to a plate. Be careful because these are sizzling hot. Let it cool down for a little, and let's see how they taste. Okay, this is my second one. Looks a little bit better. Let's get that underside a little bit more. I think this one looks a little better than that one, don't you think?
Oh yeah. Looks good.
So my second time doing it, so still learning a little, but we'll get there. Okay, well, we don't have the exact sauce for the wontons, but we do have this Chinese soy sweet sauce.
That looks good.
Really good on rice, so let's try it on some wontons and see how good that is. good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh damn!
Yeah.
This is not diet friendly.
We're in quarantine, so it doesn't really matter what our diet is. Anything we have in the house, we eat.
Yeah. All right.
Oh. Bye, everyone. Please like and subscribe, and hope you have a good day.